few ready in the breakout rooms. I'll take care of that in just a minute. All right. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to traffic court. You're going to be placed in breakout rooms to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Please be patient when waiting for the attorneys. They are coming to you. They just have to see other people. You're not the first folks in here today. If you know you need to show things like registration or insurance, things like that, due to the kind of ticket that you have, please use the time that you're waiting to go ahead and gather those items. So that you will have them ready when the attorney gets there. Ms. Thorpe, yes.
Oh, I was already in the breakout room with an attorney and something happened with the video. I'm sorry.
Do you know which attorney you were in with or which room you were in?
I do not recall. I'm sorry.
Okay, did you speak with a male or a female attorney?
It was a male, a Black male.
All right, I'm going to put you back in the breakout room.
Okay, thank you.
In 7, you must have been in 5. I'm going to move you back there. All right, go ahead to room 5, please. Thank you. All right, Mr. Tate, I'm going to remove one of your devices.
Okay.
Yeah, because that one's working. Okay, so then we'll remove this one. Now, can you hear me, Mr. Tate?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
Okay. All right, I'm going to get you into a breakout room. An attorney will be there to see you shortly.
Okay. Thank you.
Going to room 35. Go ahead and hit join for me, please. Thank you. All right, looks like we are ready on Anaya Thompson and Danny Payne. Check out Danny Payne's. Juan Prescott will be ready next. So you want me to wait on Mr. Payne?
Yeah, some of his, they have some cases and stuff, some closed cases and.
Okay, Mr. Payne will be right with you. Clerk is just pulling your file.
Okay.
Can't get anybody to come out of these breakout rooms. So what they have here for him is that there's going to be 2 failures to display, 1 improper plates, and 2 failure to display, 2 improper plates, and 12 dismissals.
Yeah, some of these are duplicates too.
Omega Palmer. Okay. Can you, I think I need the Dewan Prescott file, please. All right, Mr. Prescott, I'm going to mute you. Omega Palmer, good morning. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can attorney.
Anything ready?
Going to room 6, please go ahead and hit join. All right, Mr. Payne, good morning to you.
Good
Do you have a
morning.
preference to where I pull the improper plate and failure to display from, Madam Clerk?
Oh, no.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Payne. We're going ahead and get your matters done. How are you this morning?
I'm okay, Your Honor.
Good. All right. Calling ticket number 523083 and all other related matters on today's docket, 2 City versus Danny Payne III. Mr. Payne, please state your name for the record.
Danny Kyle Payne III.
Thank you. All right. So I've got, it looks like 2 counts of improper plates and 2 counts of failures to display, everything else being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes,
Okay, please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
yes,
Is it true, Mr. Payne, that on December 7th of 2020 in the area of Chalfonte and Cruz, that you did not have proper plates on your vehicle due to a lack of registration?
yes, Your Honor.
Is it also true that you were operating that vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, Your Honor.
And finally, is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle due to some other reason, lack of insurance perhaps?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And finally, is it true that on September 2nd of 2020 in the area of Cruz and Puritan, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. On that last ticket that I just read, the fine there is $190 for the failure to display. On that first ticket that we were dealing with, your improper plate is $190, but I can reduce the failure to display to $100 and the second improper plate to $100, giving you a total of $390 on that ticket. I'm giving you 90 days to do one of 2 things, either pay these tickets off in full or go see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse, tell them you need a longer term payment plan if you need one, and start on that payment plan by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those 2 things, this ticket, this deal will remain in place. For the record, that deal includes dismissing 12 other matters that were listed on today's docket today. Okay?
Okay. Thank
All
you,
right.
Your Honor.
Have a great day. Thank you. Looks like I'm ready on Jalen Tony, please. And then, Officer Harris, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you today?
Finding yourself.
Good. What case you here on?
Let's see. Peron Alvarez.
Okay, I'll have to look it up. Give me just a minute because that's not a last name I would have on my docket. I need just a moment.
Okay, thank you.
Olin just left. DeJuan Prescott,
Yes.
thank you. Please turn your video on. We're going to do your plea now. Good morning.
Good morning.
Calling ticket number P1870702, City versus DeJuan Prescott. Mr. Prescott, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning. My name is DeJuan Prescott.
Thank you, sir. You're charged with being in a city park after posted closing hours. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to that under a 3-month delayed sentence. Is that correct?
Yes.
Anyone promise you anything else get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. Sir, is it true that on March 5th of 2026 in the area of Spinoza and Tireman, you were in a city park after posted closing hours?
Yes.
All right, your plea is accepted. You have 90 days to pay $190. As long as you pay your $190 and don't get any tickets like this in the next 90 days, you do not have to come back and see me. However, if you do pick up another ticket or you don't get this paid off in the 90 days, then you have to come back and see me. Madam Clerk, what's our return date, please? I've got a mess up here. What's our 90-day return date?
Days is July 6th.
Thank you. All right, come back July 6th if you need to see me about this again so we can get you back on track, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. All right, Officer Harris, let me try this one more time. Ms. Thompson will be with you in a moment, and Mr. Pauling.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, what's the last name?
Oh. Let me see. Padron, Padron. Alvarez is hyphenated.
P-A-R.
I mean Padron.
Okay, and the first initial?
J.
Okay, thank you. All right, get me into breakout room 1 to see city attorney.
Okay.
All right, I need let's see, Jalen Tony file. Good morning, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I got taken for good morning. P1878002, City versus Jalen Tony. Charge of 6 to 10 over speed. Counsel, your appearance.
For the record, Your Honor, Bruce Saperstein, P19893, representing Jalen Tony.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Tony. What are we doing here, counsel?
Pardon me?
How are we proceeding today?
There's been a plea offer to blockading.
All right, thank you.
No points, no
And-
abstract, correct?
I'm sorry.
It's no points, no abstract, correct?
That's correct. Blockading is $175 fine, 0 points, does not report out to Secretary of State. Client wishes to accept that, Mr. Tony?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. $175. You are admitting then that on March 9th of 2026 at Harper and Norcross that you were at least blockading traffic, if not speeding.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. All right. Thank you. All right. 175, 60 days.
60
If
days
you
to
can't
pay.
get it. Yep, 60 days to pay. If you can't get it paid in 60 days, see the cashiers on the first floor for a longer term payment plan. Make sure you give them their down payment within the 60 days and this will stay in place. Okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
All right, Mr. Pauling, have you been into a breakout room to meet with an attorney yet? Ronald Pauling, please unmute. Okay, Amina Thompson, good morning. Maybe Amina, oh, I got it, thank you.
Good morning.
All right, looks like you are, uh-oh, where did it go? I can't see your plea deal anymore. Let me see, hold on. This is a 3-month delay. This is a 3-month delay. Okay, calling ticket number P1870714, City versus Amina Thompson. Ms. Thompson, please state your name for the record.
Amina Thompson.
Thank you, Ms. Thompson. You're charged with being in a city park after closing hours. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to that under a 3-month delayed sentence. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear everything I tell you is the truth.
Thank you. Uh-oh. Okay, I have Diamond Thompson. Thank you. All right. Ma'am, is it true that on March 5th of 2026 in the area of Spinoza and Tireman, you were in a city park after posted closing hours?
Yes.
Thank you. Your plea is accepted. The fine is $190. You have 90 days to get it paid. As long as you pay your fine in 90 days and don't get any other tickets like this, you don't have to come back and see me, and this will be dismissed in 90 days. If, however, you do need to come back and see me, you may do so on, Madam Clerk, I'm so sorry, 90-day date again.
July 6th.
Thank you. July 6th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, have a great day. Thank you.
Too. Thank you.
May I have Diamond Thompson's file, please? Mr. Pauling, please unmute. And you've got some more SOS requests there. Good morning. How are you? Give me just a minute, Ms. Thompson, just getting your file. Mr. Pauling. All right, good morning. To the phone number ending in 3607, I need a name, please.
Good morning, Mr. Edward James Pearson.
Edward Pierce.
Yes,
You said the middle name is James?
yes.
Okay, have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, I don't see no one out here. No attorney.
All right, thank you. When you say out here, are you in the courthouse?
Yeah, I'm in the hallway on the phone with you in the stairs.
Okay, so that's fine for you to stay in the hallway right now. If they want you to put a plea on the record or something, then you can come in, but it's better if you stay on the phone to speak with the attorney confidentially, okay?
Okay, well,
So Mr. Pierce, I'm going to place you in a breakout room. It's going to be quiet until the attorney gets there to you. You're not in the wrong place. I just need you to be patient and wait for them to get there, okay?
okay then.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Uh-huh. Mr. Pruitt, good morning.
Good morning.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all, Mr. Pruitt?
No.
All right, I'm going to put you in a breakout room so you can speak with an attorney before I hear your matter. Go ahead and hit join for me now, please. We'll see you shortly. Okay. I feel like I don't have today's docket sheet, and I saw something sitting up there.
Yeah, I put it up there. I can reprint it.
I don't know. Maybe there's just too much stuff. Oh, you know what? I just found it. Thank you. All right, I just want to see what Ms. Thompson's plea is because they didn't tell me. All right, Ms. Thompson, good morning.
Good morning.
Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of improper. Ms. Horn? I'm glad you're here. Diamond Thompson, can you tell me if that's 2 improper plates or 1 failure to display and 1 improper plate on Diamond Thompson? She's on the 2nd page.
Okay. One improper plate and 1 FTD.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Uh,
And 8:30, so.
Okay, they got them all, I think, yeah.
Okay.
I'll double check though, because
You said
that's,
she's at 8.
I didn't see an 8 o'clock. Let me see.
8:20.
I don't have an 8 a.m. sheet.
That somewhere it was a rank on Central and somewhere they were
Because they're not on Ms. Horn's sheet. Hers starts with 8:25.
Oh, she's at 8:35 and 8:30.
Oh, because I'm like, I don't see an 8 o'clock docket.
And then we, on the 3rd page, Your Honor, almost at the bottom,
Uh-huh.
we can do an allowing on that since we're already doing an FTD and an improper plate.
Okay, what was it previously?
Repeat offenders suspended.
No, I'm saying, what were you offering on there?
Let's see, let me make.
I just want to know if they've spoken to her about
Okay,
that plea.
and let me make sure it's.
Yeah, so they would have spoken to an FTD. So it's the deal just got better. That's fine. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Thompson, we're going to start your matter. Calling number P1873814, City versus Diamond Thompson. Ms. Thompson, good morning. Please state your name.
Good morning, Diamond Thompson.
Thank you. All right. Looks like you were going to be pleading guilty to 2 counts of failure to display a valid license and 1 count of improper plates. City attorney is here and just made your deal a bit better to 1 count of failure to display, 1 count of improper plates, and then another allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, which is better because it's not a driving offense for you. Okay, I'm told you would like to accept the plea. Is that correct?
Yes.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
The counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. You can put your hand down, Madam Clerk. May I have the Dante Perkins file and the Diamond Pryor file? All right, Ms. Thompson.
Mm-hmm.
Is it true that on March 5th of 2026 in the area of Mack and Garland, that you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true that on November 8th of 2025 in the area at the area of Gunston and Christie that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. On that allowing, it's 190, would have been 190 either way because it's on its own ticket. And then on your failure to display, that one is 190, but the improper plate I can drop down to 100. I'm going to give you 90 days here to do one of 2 things, and that is pay these off in full, or if you need a longer term payment plan, see the cashiers on the 1st floor of the courthouse. Let them know you need a longer term payment plan and they can put you on one. As long as you do one of those 2 things, your deal will remain in place. I'm sorry.
Can you tell me what's the total of the tickets I owe?
I can tell you that you owe $290 on one ticket and $190 on the other.
I'm not. So what is? I thought you said. Okay, I thought you said that you were dropping one from 190 to 100.
I did. So that ticket, the total on that ticket is $290. One of the tickets is $190. The other one is $100. So $290 on that one. Then on the other one, you have 190.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to schedule up a payment plan because I just came out of I just got my license back and insurance on my car. I just got my license back. I already just came out of 2,000. So
So listen to what I told you. You have 90 days to even get on the payment plan. So even if you have to get the down payment together on the payment plan, you still have 90 days to do that. So just
yeah, I'm gonna
go
come down there and set up a payment plan.
Okay. Okay. All right. Have a good day, Ms. Thompson.
So thank you.
Yeah. All right. Sorry, Attorney Johnson, give you co-host. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. On Deontay Perkins, I've got ticket number P1496876 and P1459426. Who's working with Deontay Perkins?
That must be Attorney Testamarian.
Mr. Perkins, we're gonna need to see Attorney Testamarian because you have more tickets than what she's noted on here. Which breakout room were you in, Mr. Perkins?
I'm not for sure.
Okay, you were in 8. Would you look at your device, please, and see if you can return yourself to room 8? I'm gonna put a note there that she needs to revisit.
No, I don't see it now.
Well, I'm gonna have to move you twice then. I'll move you to 7 and then back to 8. Please keep an eye on your device. You're going to 7 now, and then you'll go to 8. Please go. Did you run the SOS on Diamond Pryor, Madam Clerk? Because they sent her out. Yeah, okay, valid. Thank you. Okay, Ms. Pryor, good morning to you. Calling ticket number X4345179. X4293788. P1504892. X3414105. These are all city versus Diamond Pryor. Ms. Pryor, please state your name for the record.
Good morning. My name is Diamond Pryor.
Thank you. Appears that defense counsel has reviewed all of your valid documents this morning and verified the validity of your license with the Secretary of State. And as a result, there has been a motion to dismiss your tickets, which I am granting at this time. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to traffic court. I am Judge Ramsey-Heath. I'm going to get you guys into breakout rooms so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. All right, I've got, is it Andrew Sullivan?
Yes, good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Which matter are you here on, please?
I'm here on Isaiah Thomas. He's also in the Zoom session.
Thank you. You know what time Mr. Thomas is scheduled for?
I believe we're scheduled for 9:30 for a bench trial.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay, just so you're aware that there is an offer in the file to a 3-month delayed sentence.
Yes.
I will go ahead.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
I've discussed that with the city prosecutor. We just can't agree to any amount of responsibility on Mr. Thomas's behalf in this case.
Okay, so you'd like to proceed to bench trial today. That's fine.
Yes, please.
Okay. I'm going to, what I will do then is I will put you in room. I'm going to put you in room 20 and I'll put Mr. Thomas there as well.
Okay.
I'm giving you co-host so you can move yourself around.
Understood. Thank you.
Okay, room 20 and I'll send Mr. Thomas.
Okay.
Thank you. Isaiah Thomas, good morning. Going to go ahead and get you into room 20 to be with your attorney, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Room 20. Go ahead and join. Thank you. DeAndre Pinkins, good morning. Mr. Pinkins, I'm moving you to room 4. Please hit join.
Okie dokie.
Phone number ending in 4013. I need your name, please.
Ronald Pauling.
Thank you. Are you having some trouble with your device? I've noticed you were going in and out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Phone number ending in 6985. May I have a name, please? Understood, Officer Harris.
Juwan Perry.
I heard Perry. Could you please spell the first name?
Juwan is Jujuan.
Perry.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. I'm going to put you in a breakout room so you can meet with your attorney. I'm going to send you to room 7. Mr. Perry, you're going to 7. All right. Kevin Tates Jr., have you spoken with an attorney yet this morning? And Mr. Pauling, did you get to speak with an attorney yet this morning?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Pauling, I'm going to try to get you into breakout room quickly here.
No, I haven't talked to anybody.
Okay, that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room so that you can before I hear your matter. Go ahead and hit join for me now. The attorneys will be there shortly, but there is a wait, Mr. Tates. Okay, Mr. Pauling, did you ever speak with an attorney, Mr. Pauling?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
My video thing ain't working.
That's okay.
The Zoom app ain't working right.
All right, I'm going to get you into a breakout room to speak with an attorney. Just know it'll be quiet in there until they get there.
Okay.
Why is it not letting me put you in the breakout room? There we go. Okay. On Donis Patterson. Oh, that's Attorney Soroki. Been trying to get his people all up in the same area. On Janetta Thomas in room 14, we need an SOS. Large docket today. Is that on Janetta Thomas?
That's coming out, yeah.
Good morning, Ms. Thomas.
Hi,
How are you
good
this
morning.
morning?
I'm fine. How are you, Judge?
Good, thanks. Looks like you're gonna have a great day today, at least in here. All right, calling ticket number P1276629, City versus Janetta Thomas. Ms. Thomas, please go ahead and state your name for the record.
Janetta Thomas.
Thank you, Ms. Thomas. Great job getting all this stuff back in order, getting your license back. I am happy to dismiss all your tickets on defense counsel's motion today. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do I leave, Judge, or just wait?
I can help you. Yes. Yep, you're all done. Have a great day. Bye.
You too.
Really?
Prior, I remember now. And Serenity, I remember her.
I keep seeing Mr. Pizamenti and then he never, oh, we've got a lot of people in the waiting room again.
That's
Okay.
attorneys.
All right, good morning, everyone, and welcome to traffic court. Officers, if you could help me by placing defendant's name next to yours, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, I will do that for you. We're going to get some devices named so that you guys can go in and meet with an attorney in the breakout room before I hear your matter. Mr. Pizamenti, good morning to you. I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room since Attorney Soroki will be looking for you. I'm going to put in room 9. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
All right, room 9.
Okay.
All right, then I have, let's see, DeAndre Thomas. Have you been in to speak with an attorney yet?
No, I have not.
All right. And if there's anyone here that has spoken with an attorney outside of court, not at your last court date, if you were outside of court, somebody's called you, emailed you, or whatever, please go ahead and let me know now so that I can appropriately name your device. Lieutenant, all the officers, I need you to quickly unmute, please, so that I can rename you as to the citizen. Lieutenant Sampson, which case are you here on, please?
Padron Alvarez.
Okay, thank you. And Officer Walsh.
Good morning. I'm here for Isaiah Thomas.
Do you know if it's Thompson or Thomas?
It's Thomas, Isaiah Thomas.
Thomas. Okay, thank you. Officer Morella, thank you for putting that there as to Tipton. And Mr. Tipton is with us. Okay, officer is going to get you into room 1 right now so that you can meet with the city attorney. Lieutenant Sampson, Officer Walsh, and Officer Morales. Okay, now I need to get some other devices named. Alexis P, please unmute. I need a full name.
Alexis Porch, last name spelled Porch.
Thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court, Ms. Porch?
No.
Thank you. Serenity T, please unmute. I need a full name.
Tisdale.
Tisdale.
Yes.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No.
Thank you. Rakin, Rakin, please unmute. I need a name.
Rakeen Parker. That is Rakin, last name Parker, Parker.
Thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No, ma'am. Not since my last court date with you guys. No,
All right. Thank you very much. And Mr. Tipton, I know you're here for trial. On the iPhone, sir, it looks like black hat, black sweat hoodie. Good morning. What's your name?
Walter Trapp.
Thank you, Mr. Trapp. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to get you all into breakout rooms to meet with your attorneys. There is a wait this morning, so please be patient. There's nothing I can do about it right now, but I will get to you as quickly as possible. Ms. Porch, you're going to go to room 20. Well, no, that's not it. I'll miss you if I do that. Ms. Porch, go ahead and hit room 40, please. You're going to go to room 40 and hit join. Otherwise, they would skip you. All right, DeAndre Thomas, sending you to breakout room. Go ahead and hit join for me when you see that. Guys, use the time to get paperwork together if you know you need to, like registration, insurance, etc. Mr. Parker, you're going to go to room 42. Hit join, please. Ms. Tisdale. 43. Mr. Trapp. 44. Mr. Tipton, send you into room 5. Okay, and now I have Ms. Thorpe. Thank you. Oh, Officer Backstresser, thank you. You're here on Padron as well. I'll go ahead and get you into room 1 for city attorney. Good morning. All right, Ms. Thorpe, calling ticket number P1341816, city versus, is it Araya Thorpe?
Aria,
Aria, thank you. That's really pretty.
thank you.
Aria Thorpe. Would you just state your name for the record, please?
Aria Thorpe.
Thank you. All right, good job getting your license back in compliance. Defense counsel has made a motion to dismiss your ticket on that basis, which I am happy to do.
Thank you so much.
Ticket is dismissed. You're welcome. Have a great day.
You as well.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. All right, Officer Douglas Nichols, I'm going to get you into room 1. Good morning. Thank you for naming your device fully. Room 1 to see city attorney. She should be with you shortly. I thought I had someone else that was coming in. I look like an attorney. Oh, Attorney Vassal Johnson. Attorney Johnson, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Is this Padron?
Uh-oh, my Wi-Fi might be acting up.
Okay.
Did I freeze?
I can hear and see you.
Okay.
Is your client, does he have also the last name of Padron, Padron?
Yes.
I see Alvarez, but I think, is it Padron?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, thank you. All right, you do have a number of officers here on that case, giving you co-host now.
Is it possible Madam Clerk could send me the docket sheet as it pertains to him?
You want the offer sheet or just the docket sheet?
Whichever one works for you guys.
Okay. Well, it doesn't matter. She hasn't written out an offer on
Okay.
Padron.
Docket sheet would be great.
See who gets here. But yeah, we'll send the docket sheet over to you. You have co-hosts, city attorney will be in too to see you. Looks like she might be there now.
Okay.
The only officer who's not showing in room 1 who was here was Officer Harris. He's in Perkins courtroom.
Okay, great. Thank you.
All right, on the iPhone, please unmute and give me a name.
Is that me?
Nope, one moment, please, Mr. Terry. On the iPhone, you must unmute and give me a name or I have to remove you from the session.
Josue Padron Alvarez.
Okay, thank you. All right, your attorney, Mr. Johnson, did just check in. So he's here. He'll be speaking with the city attorney about your case. And then he'll be with you, okay?
Okay.
I need to get you into a breakout room. I'm going to put you in room 10, Mr. Padron.
Got it.
Okay, go ahead and join that breakout room for me, please, Mr. Padron. Thank you. All right, Mr. Terry, good morning. Have you been in a breakout room yet this morning?
No, I'm currently at work and I just remember I had court and
Okay.
I just clicked in.
All right, do you need to reschedule?
If it's too late, yes, I would love to reschedule, but if I can get fitted into your schedule, I would love it.
Okay, I'm just letting you know, we have a very long docket today. There are a lot of people here. So if you're trying to work, this might not be the best day because it's not going to go quickly. So if you want a date, come back. We can just do that any day this week or next week. What works for you?
This week would be fine.
Okay. You just tell me which morning you want to come.
Tomorrow morning would be best, actually.
Okay. Madam Clerk, can you make a note? Jaquin Terry, he'll come back tomorrow morning at 8:30. Yep, I need you to log in. Let me just make sure that you're not scheduled for trial today. Where's our docket? So
Raymond on the bench warrant, we have over 100.
Okay. So Mr. Terry can come back. You said tomorrow was really heavy.
We have 200 scheduled for tomorrow.
Okay. Can you run Mr. Terry's SOS real quick, please? Mr. Terry, do you have proof of insurance?
I'm only obtaining that.
Okay, that's okay. So I'm going to give you a different date to come back. I'm going to give you another pretrial date because you just had an arraignment set for today.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you April 21st. Okay, Madam Clerk, I'm just going to give him the pretrial date.
Okay.
April 21st at 8:35 a.m. That way, if you have time to get these things in order, you can maybe get your tickets dismissed. You can spend your money on getting your insurance and your license together.
I'm trying to get that done, man. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
All right. Have a great day.
You do the same. Bye-bye.
Lamonte Taylor is going to be next. Thank you. Attorney Sharples, has Attorney Sharples checked in? I have in room 3. Willie Townsell, Whitlow. I don't know who Attorney Sharples is. Lamonte Taylor, good morning.
Good morning.
Calling ticket number P1779981, City versus Lamonte Taylor. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Lamonte Taylor.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license. The insurance count would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel inform you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Is it true that on September 2nd of 2025 in the area of Canfield and Holcomb Street that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your plea is accepted. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to do one of 2 things. Pay the fine in full or go see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and tell them you need a longer term payment plan if you need one. As long as you give them their down payment that they ask from you within the 60 days, this deal will remain in place. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You are welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Looks like they're asking for an SOS check now on. Yeah.
Hello?
Yep. Hi, what's your name, please?
Dwayne Tarver.
And what time are you scheduled for, Mr. Tarver?
Excuse me?
What time were you scheduled for court, sir?
I've been down here, and then I found out it's a Zoom. I've been down here since 8:30.
Okay, you weren't in trouble, Mr. Tarver. It just helps me find you on my docket. My docket is divided by time of arrival.
Okay.
What's going on here?
I'm down here right now at room number 437.
I know you are. Just give me a minute. I need to know if you need to speak with an attorney before I deal with this. Did you come down because you want to with insurance?
Excuse me?
Come on in. Can you bring Mr. Tarver in? Come on in. I'm going to have you brought in, Mr. Tarver.
Okay, I'm gonna come on in then.
Okay. Can I have the Dwayne Tarver file?
All right. What I gotta do now? All right.
Good morning, Mr. Tarver. How are you?
All right.
Come on up to the podium, sir. I'll call your case, which is P1866087, City versus Dwayne Tarver. Mr. Tarver, just state your name for the record for me.
Dwayne Tarver.
Mr. Tarver, the city has made a motion to dismiss both of your tickets, which I'm granting. I'm dismissing them at this time. All right, so I apologize for your wait, but hopefully it was worth it.
All right, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
All right, thank you.
Uh-huh.
All right, man, thank you.
Officer Green, good morning.
Morning.
Which case are you here on today, please?
1 second.
Okay, you're here on this porch. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Yep, sorry about that, Your Honor.
It's okay. Putting in the breakout room to see city attorney.
Yeah.
Does Alexis Porch have a signed counsel? Morning, Tompkins.
Yeah, narcotic drug violation. We have- Is he in here? I mean,
What'd you find on Lawrence Turner? Oh, ballot. Okay, what's Mr. Turner have?
did he leave the breakdown room? I don't see him.
Lawrence Turner.
His name. He's here.
Okay, I need some help because I can't find Lawrence Turner. I can't find Lawrence Turner on the docket.
He has
Thank you.
Drive-by licenses, no insurance, misdemeanor, and improper plate.
Thank you. Mr. Tony?
Yes.
Good morning. I know you've been asking for help. I'm sorry there is a wait this morning to see the attorneys, but there is a wait. How may I help you?
I was just trying to see if I was in the right place because
Yeah, you are. So I'm going to just tell you there's about, let's just see how many people are in line this morning. It's amnesty time, right? So it's heavy. So there's 45 people in line. You're in room 30 and the attorney looks to be in about room 20. So they're making their way to you.
Okay.
Is that it? Do you have proof of insurance today, Mr. Tony?
Yes, I do.
Okay, why don't you start your video, and if you can show me your insurance, we can get you out of here.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay. Wasn't Lawrence Turner just here? You ran an SOS on him, right? Okay, Mr. Tony. Calling ticket number P8174900 and P1874896, City versus Keith Tony Jr. Mr. Tony, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Keith Tony Jr.
And where's your insurance? Let's see.
My insurance is right here.
Okay, it's very blurry, so go ahead and hold it up more where your face is. Very good. All right, you can put that down. Thank you. Go ahead and put it down, please. Thank you. All right, given your valid insurance, I'm going to go ahead and dismiss your ticket at this time.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You as well.
All right, bye-bye. Good morning.
Good morning.
Cyrus Parker on 27 only has drives uninsured or unregistered.
Okay, can bring him out. Thank you. Mr. Turner, good morning. Go ahead and unmute for me. You were previously in a breakout room, weren't you?
Yes, I went to join the room and then it said an unknown error occurred. So I just wanted to get back to something, but
All right. Can I have the Lawrence Turner file, please, Madam Clerk? Okay, Mr. Turner.
Yes, ma'am.
You have tickets for driving while license suspended, no insurance, and expired plates. We've checked your Secretary of State record. We know you have a valid license, so that's great. Did you speak with the attorney about the insurance and registration?
I spoke with him, but he said he was gonna reach out to the Secretary of State to get that. And then, like I said, it had me go to the room and then an error occurred, but we never
So
spoke.
I know we reached out to the Secretary of State about the license. That's valid. What about insurance today?
I currently don't have insurance, but I also don't have a vehicle either. So I never got that resolved.
Okay, and same thing as to the registration?
Yeah, correct. So like I said, I don't have a vehicle, so I never got those
Was
things
it
updated.
your vehicle that you were driving on the date in question? Let's see.
Was it? I want to say it was May 21st.
Yeah, yep, that's when it was, May of 2021, May 22nd of 2021.
The vehicle that I was driving that day was it wasn't my vehicle. It belonged to a relative.
Okay, thank you. All right. That's what I needed to know. Calling ticket number P1195672 and P1195673, City versus Lawrence Turner Jr. Mr. Turner, please state your name for the record.
Lawrence Turner Jr.
Mr. Turner, good job getting your license back in order.
Thank you.
Given your explanation about the insurance and registration, your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you. You as well.
All right, bye-bye.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
All good. Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well.
Person, she has her insurance.
Great. Thank you. Where'd she go? Where's Tom? Oh, so you can bring her on in now. Looks like we're going to be ready on Robert Pryor next.
Okay.
Thanks.
Mr. Pryor, I'll be right with you.
All right.
Robert Pryor, when you get that one, please. Good morning, ma'am. Come on up to the podium. Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing fine, yourself.
Good. Is it Monique Thomas?
Yes.
Okay, I'm Judge Ramsey-Heath. How you doing today? Nice to meet you too. Calling ticket number P1874615, City versus Monique Thomas, one count of no insurance. Good morning again, Ms. Thomas. Please state your name for the record. Thank you. I understand you've come all the way down here today to show us your insurance.
I did.
Thank you for doing that. You can give that to the court officer, please. Thank you. Very good. All right, good job getting all this stuff together. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
And then let's see, Robert Pryor. Officer Harris, good morning again.
Hi, good morning.
I'm gonna go ahead and get you into room 1. There's lots of you here on this case now.
Okay, thank you.
And citizen is here as well. All right.
Okay.
Room 1. Thank you. All right, Robert Pryor, calling ticket number P1874563 and P1875051, P1874723. They're all City versus Robert Lee Pryor. Mr. Pryor, please state your name for the record.
Robert Lee Pryor.
Thank you. I understand you'll be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license,
Yes.
admitting to 1 to 5 over limited access, a 0-point ticket. Everything
Yes.
else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear by God, everything is the truth, ma'am.
All right, thank you. You can put your hand down. Yeah, they really hammered you. They gave you 8 tickets in one stop,
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah. That's what I said.
Okay. All right. So we'll start first with the disregarding red or yellow. That's the one that you're going to be admitting to 1 to 5 over limited access, correct?
Yeah, correct.
All right. So that one's going to turn into that 0-point ticket. And then let's see, counts 2 and 3 written on that page are going to be dismissed per the plea. And then I also have, is it true on March 3rd of 2026 in the area of Mount Elliott and East Verner that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, on the 1 to 5 over limited access, that one is 125.
Okay.
And on the failure to display, that one is 190. Everything else is dismissed pursuant to your plea.
Okay. 190, 120.
You have 60 days to either pay the amounts in full or to go see the cashiers down on the first floor. If you want a longer term payment plan, they can put you on one. You just have to give them a down payment. If you give them your down payment within the 60 days, this deal remains in place, okay?
Okay, so I can make a down payment.
Yep, if you need longer than 60 days to pay,
Okay.
there's cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse here. Go and see them. Tell them you need a long-term payment plan. They'll tell you they want a down payment. It might be like 25%. As long as you give them the down payment, then this whole deal will stay in place, okay?
Okay, and if I just pay it all in full, where am I paying it to?
You can pay through the court's website. You can use
36th
any of the,
District?
yep, 36th District using your name. You can look it up or your ticket numbers.
Okay.
You can pay at any of the DivDat machines in the city of Detroit with exact change, or you can come in and pay the cashiers in full. But give us a couple of days to get these the system updated, please.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. I want to check Deontay Perkins, Madam Clerk, because they're telling me that they are asking for a dismissal based on compliance. But I'm showing tickets here for failure to stop for a stop sign. And I want to know if that is still open. It may be so, oh, it's so old, but it's not. No, I have it. Yeah, I'm going to bring him out and dismiss his matters.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, Officer Patello, good morning.
Good morning. I have a 930 court case, and on my subpoena it said Perkins, but then I just realized it also had your courtroom. I'm just trying to
Can you
figure out.
tell me who the citizen is?
Looks like Padron Alvarez is the last name.
Padron. Okay, would you rename? Thank you. Officer Patello, we'll get you into room 1. There's a lot of you here on that case.
Okay.
Citizen is here. Room 1. Thank you.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. All right, I want to bring him out. Deontay Perkins. All right, Mr. Perkins, thank you for waiting while we pulled your stuff together. I'm recalling your matter now, ticket number P1496876, and all other related matters on today's docket, 2 City versus Deontay Perkins. Mr. Perkins, please state your name for the record.
Deontay Perkins.
Thank you, Mr. Perkins. I'm going to go ahead and grant defense counsel's motion to dismiss your tickets at this time. They are dismissed. Good job getting all those things in order. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Okay.
All right. I have Willie Townsell Whitlow. Please unmute. Thank you. Good morning.
Yes, how you doing?
Good. Looks
morning.
like I see that it says you have an attorney, Attorney Sharples, who's here with you. Good morning, Attorney Sharples. Are you guys ready on your matter?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, we are.
Okay, thank you. Calling ticket number P1876269 and P1876281. These are both City versus Willie Townsell Whitlow. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Samantha Sharples, P85436, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Willie Townsell Whitlow, who is also present here via Zoom this morning.
Thank you. Mr. Townsell Whitlow, please state your name for the record.
Willie Townsell Whitlow.
Thank you. Looks like I have tickets here for disregarding red or yellow, no proof of insurance, failure to have CPL license in possession, and consuming marijuana while operating a motorized vehicle. How are we proceeding, Attorney Sharples?
Yes, Your Honor, there was a plea agreement presented to us regarding these matters. We would be pleading responsible for the amended charge of blockading. And we're also had agreed to dismiss without prejudice with stipulation of probable cause for the CPL and insurance tickets. And then regarding the consuming marijuana while driving, we have agreed to a delayed sentence of 6 months with non-reporting.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Townsell Whitlow, is all that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone promise you anything else? Get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, she did.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, I sir.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on March 3rd of 2026 in the area of Livernois and Westfield, you were operating a vehicle while consuming marijuana?
Yes.
Thank you. Counsel, are you satisfied with that factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. And Mr. Townsend Whitlow, you are also admitting that on that date and location, you are admitting to blockading traffic. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Your fine on the marijuana charge is $190. On the blockading, it's $175. On the marijuana charge, you have 6 months to get that paid off. Don't get any similar tickets and we'll dismiss it in 6 months. Or then we also have your blockading traffic, which is $175. On that one, I'm giving you 60 days to pay the $175 or to get on a payment plan about that one. As long as you do one of those two things, your deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Attorney Sharples, have a good day.
Man. You too.
Okay, thank you. All right, we are quickly going to take care of Mr. Trotter, which is ticket number P1870163, City versus Thaddeus Trotter. Mr. Trotter, please state your name for the record.
Thaddeus Trotter.
Thank you, Mr. Trotter. You're charged with interfering with a city employee in performance of their duties. I'm understanding you're pleading guilty to that with a 3-month sentence delay. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel advised you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Just need an answer, please.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Sir, is it true that on March 4th of 2026 in the area of South Bassett and Visker that you interfered with a city employee who was attempting to perform their duties?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. $190 is the fine. Get that paid in 3 months and don't pick up any similar tickets and we'll get this dismissed at the end of the 3 months. If something happens where you can't get it paid off or you pick up a similar ticket, then you get to come back and see me on July the 6th. But you don't have to as long as everything goes well. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
July 6th, 8:30 if you need to come back. Thank you. Have a good day.
You also.
Thank you. Mr. Pizmente, I saw that Attorney Soroki came out. I don't know what the resolution is because he went back in. So as soon as he's back, I'll call the case.
Okay, we're just supposed to go back to trial.
Oh,
with you.
okay. No problem.
Okay. Thank you.
You are welcome. I am going to put you back in the breakout room though, because I'm not even nearly ready yet. So I'm sorry. We've got a large docket today.
Okay.
If you want to take yourself back to room 9, if you know how to do that, you can.
I don't, so if you can put me there.
All right. I'm going to move you twice. Then I need you to watch your device. You're going to go to 8 and then to 9. So I'm moving you to 8. And
Okay.
then I'll move you. Actually, you can stay in 8. Just stay in 8. Okay.
Oh, it's not good.
All right. On the iPhone, officer, which case are you here on, please? Officer Easton.
Hey, Mel. Sergeant Easton. I'm here on Walter Trap. I don't know why it's not automatically naming myself.
That's okay. Mr. Trapp is here.
Okay.
I'll get you into breakout room number 1 so you can meet with the city. All right. Darnell Pollard, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Good morning,
What's
Your
he
Honor.
got? Good morning, sir. How are you today?
Oh, I'm fine. How about yourself?
Good.
Great.
Okay, you're early for court, but that's fine. This was just going to be a day where you zoom in and they would tell you when to come back so the case can be resolved. City attorney needs to look at your file and so that she can make an offer in the file. That's not done until your next court date, which is going to be April the 21st at 8:35 a.m.
Pardon me, Your Honor. You said April the 21st?
April 21st, 8:35 a.m. If DeAndre Pinkins file too, please.
Okay.
All right.
Question, will I receive something in the mail for our Zoom or just come back with the link?
So I will tell you what I always say. We will put something in the mail. Whether or not you receive it in the mail, I don't control. So please make a note that court is on April the 21st at 8:35 a.m. Okay?
Will do. Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you. No need to come back?
Nope, not at 1:30. Nope. See you
Okay,
on the
all right.
21st. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye. All right, we're ready on Mr. Soroki, DeAndre Pinkins.
Yes, Your Honor.
Calling ticket number P1860160 and all other related matters on today's docket, 2 City versus DeAndre Pinkins. Counsel.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
DeAndre Pinkins.
Your
Thank
Honor,
you.
defendant is accepting the offer of the prosecution's matter as to the careless driving ticket. The defendant will plead to that charge with a reduced charge of limited access 1 to 5. And they failed to disclose CPL, that will be changed to the civil infraction, and it'll be pled to, and the code or the statute is MCL 28.425 F subparent 4. The no insurance ticket will be dismissed.
All right, thank you. Mr. Pinkins, state your name, please.
DeAndre Pinkins.
Is all that consistent with your understanding?
Ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
Okay.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Did counsel, sir, you have to speak up. There's a court reporter trying to take a record. Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Thank you. Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Correct. Yes.
Raise your right hand, swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Need an answer, please, Mr. Pinkins?
I'm sorry.
Do you swear to tell the truth?
Oh, yes, I do.
Thank you. Is it true that on February 1st of 2026 in the area of East State Fair and Anvil, that you were speeding at least 1 mile per hour over the speed limit?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true that you failed to immediately disclose your CPL, which is being entered as a conviction under MCL 28.425?
Hold on. I don't know if it's muted or not.
Sorry,
Yes.
Mr. Thank you. All right, your fine on the 1 to 5 over limited access is $125. Your fine on the gun charge is $100, so $225 altogether. You have 60 days either to get that paid in full or to see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse to get on a payment plan. As long as you get on the payment plan in time within the next 60 days, the deal remains in place even if you can't get it paid in full, okay?
Thanks a lot.
All right, thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Imani Taylor, calling ticket number P1246970 and all other related matters on today's docket, 2 City versus Imani Taylor. Ms. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Imani Taylor.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 2 counts of failure to display, 2 counts of improper plate, and then everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand, swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on January 29th of 2022 in the area of Grand River and Strathmore, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it also true that on November 6th of 2022 in the area of Chapel and Clarita, that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. One moment, please. 6970-2165. Right, thank you. I think someone misread your plea offer because I only have one failure to display and one improper plates here that can go with what the city attorney wrote. So I'm going to stop your plea there. On the improper plates, your fine is going to be $190. And on the failure to display, that fine is going to be $190.
Okay.
You have 60 days to either pay these in full or to go see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and ask them for a longer term payment plan if you need one. They will want a down payment of some sort, and as long as you give them the down payment within the 60 days, this deal will remain in place, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a wonderful day. Thank you.
I'm sorry, ma'am. What day did you say I have to have the money in?
Well, you have 60 days, so say 60 days from today. I'm not doing the math.
No,
Well,
I understand.
here's what I have. I have my return court date, which would be June 8th, is they're telling me is 60 days from today.
Okay.
So around then, okay?
Yes, thank you so much. Have a good one.
All right, thank you. Have a happy holiday. Or hope you had a happy holiday. Bye-bye. All right, I've got Mr. Padron back, and then I've got Mr. Pizzamenti. I'm told Attorney Soroki that Mr. Pizzamenti is going to trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I had just placed him back in the breakout room because we're not ready.
That's not today. He's today's a pretrial date. He's
Oh, he's got a
requesting
pretrial for today? Okay.
Yes.
I thought
I
today was
will bring him out. No problem.
my question was, I think we discussed this before. He's got these tickets about these goats, but I think it's the same goats.
Right. Well, the thing is the goats, he's paid his fines once, and the goats have been removed. So I was hoping we can get something.
That's why I wanted somebody appointed. Okay, so we'll get you the trial date.
I spoke to Ms. Horn about that, but she's very busy today, and she's not mending offers.
Does April 28th work for you?
Okay, April 28th. Yes, that's fine.
Okay, we'll see you back.
I'm in here with you all, so April 28th works for me too, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. So we'll set bench trial for April 28th at 9:30 a.m.
That's fine, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. We will see you then, Mr. Pizzamenti. By Zoom, yep.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thanks, guys. Have a good day. All right, now I need Padron and I need Tanksley. Okay, are we ready on Padron? What are we doing, Attorney Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor. We have Ms. Horn has a resolution for all the offers.
I'm just going to start bringing the officers out.
I do have to tell you one thing. The last ticket, the 2026 ticket, there's no discovery, but it's in the 21-day window. Ms. Horn knows it, so I'll be making a motion, leave it up to Your Honor in terms of.
All right, thank you. Okay, thank you. I'll start getting the officers out here while we deal with Ms. Tanksley. Good morning, Ms. Tanksley. Go ahead and unmute, please, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Calling ticket number P1832516, City versus Angela Tanksley. Ms. Tanksley, please state your name for the record. Sorry, Ms. Pickens, not you. Ms. Tanksley, please state your name for the record.
Angela Tanksley.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive under a 3-month sentence delay. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
My right hand.
Please
Yes.
remain muted or silent.
Excuse
Ms.
me?
Tanksley, I was speaking to someone else. Go ahead, please. Do you swear to tell the truth today?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true that on November 18th of 2025, in the area of northbound East Outer Drive and Griner Street, that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. The fine is $190 and you have 90 days to get it paid.
Thank
As
you.
long as you pay it in 90 days and don't get any other tickets like this, then this will be dismissed in 90 days. If not, if you don't get it all paid off or pick up a similar ticket, you'll need to zoom back in to see me on July the 6th at 8:30 in the morning. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. May I have the Pickens
Thank
file,
you.
please? Karen Pickens. Thank you. Calling ticket number P1035069, City versus Karen Pickens. Ms. Pickens, please state your name for the record. Please unmute, Ms. Pickens. State your name for the record, please.
Karen Janine Pickens.
Thank you. City Attorney has made a motion to dismiss the tickets in the interest of justice. I'm happy to make the dismissal at this time. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you. You too. You have a blessed one.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. And what's going on with Juwan Perry? Oh, that's Attorney Soroki. Okay, Mr. Perry, we'll just wait for Attorney Soroki.
Cyrus Parker was here before. He just had to drive an unregistered, untitled vehicle.
Mr. Parker. Cyrus Parker, please unmute. Okay, calling ticket number, well, are we waiting for Ms. Horn because you have a motion, Attorney Johnson?
No, Your Honor. She's all set.
Okay. All right, calling ticket number P1851352 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Jose Padron Alvarez. Counsel, your appearance, please.
May it please the Honorable Court, Vassal Johnson II, P72130, on behalf of Mr. Alvarez. He's on Zoom.
Thank you. Mr. Alvarez, please unmute and state your full name for the record.
Josue Patron. You guys put it wrong right here. It says Jose, but my name is Josue. My last name is Patron, Padron.
Thank you. That is what I have reflected on the ticket. So thank you for that correction.
Yeah.
All right. Counsel, how are we? Oh, I'm sorry. Now to my officers. Officer Harris, please unmute, state your name for the record.
Yes, good morning. I'm Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. Officer Nichols.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Would you please state your name for the record?
NPO Douglas D. Nichols, badge 1784, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. For the record, Officer Botello also appeared and is present in a breakout room, it appears, but I haven't been able to get them to come out. All right. Attorney Johnson, how are we proceeding?
Yes, Your Honor. Today's date time set for trial on all matters for Mr. Padron. As it relates to the, I'll give you 046 ticket, move to dismiss based on officer having no recollection.
One moment. Let me find that one. 046. Okay. Dismissed for no recall.
As it relates to the V ticket, dismissed due to officer failing to appear.
Okay, one moment. All right, that's on the V ticket. All right, motion to dismiss for no officer here is granted without prejudice. Go ahead, please.
As it relates to 226 ticket, move to dismiss due to officer failing to appear.
All right, 226. Okay, that would have been officer good. That motion is granted. That is dismissed for no officer.
Then as it relates to the all matters except for the 521 ticket, Mr. Padron would like to avail himself of the recommendation, which is on the 741 ticket, amend to FTD,
Okay,
and the 283 ticket.
are we
amend-
dismissing count 2 on that on the 741 ticket?
Dismiss count 2.
Dismiss, okay.
And as it relates to, should be the 283 ticket.
Yep.
Amend to improper plate.
Okay,
And then
dismiss the
dismiss
license.
the balance, yes.
Okay. .517 is ticket ending in 3517 is dismissed for plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And then we still have the other ticket, the 1352, that we're holding to the side right now.
Yes.
Which is still open. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Padron Alvarez, does all of this sound consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No,
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yeah,
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
yes,
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
yes,
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear to tell the truth?
yeah,
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on August 23rd of 2021 in the area of Central and John Kronk that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to Officer Botello when requested?
yes,
Thank you. Is it also true that on January 27th of 2020 in the area of eastbound West Burner and Mullane that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates in the city of Detroit due to a lack of insurance?
yes,
Thank you. Counsel, are you satisfied as to the factual basis there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. I have $190 on each ticket. Sir?
Judge, that
yeah.
one's going to be amended. I didn't know if you were making the original, that 283 ticket. Amend, it's not insurance, it's improper plate.
Right. So my question was,
Oh,
is
okay.
it true that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Oh, gotcha. Thank you.
Okay. Satisfied as to both factual basis?
Satisfied.
Okay, thank you. All right, 190 and 190, 60 days to get them paid in full or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. You just tell them you need a longer term payment plan. They'll ask you probably for a down payment in some amount. As long as you give that to them within the next 60 days, your deal remains in place. I know we have this final ticket we need to deal with, ticket ending in 1352, Officer Backstresser's ticket, who was present as well today. I did check him in. Attorney Johnson.
Yes, Your Honor, today's date time set for trial. I did relate to sister counsel here regarding this matter. There's no discovery presented, especially no videos. I will move to dismiss. But full disclosure, discovery requested March 26th. We're about the 12th day in, April 7th. Sister counsel knows. I'm still making the motion to dismiss as it relates to today being the date and time set for trial.
All right, thank you. Did you and Ms. Horn at all discuss whether or not this could be included in a global resolution?
It was included, but she said that we could, relate to the judge and Your Honor's discretion in terms of that. We
Okay,
can move
thank you.
forward with the global resolution, in the meantime.
All right, thank you. All right, so this matter will be dismissed for the plea as part of the global resolution. I'll grant your motion, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, everyone, officers, thank you for your appearance today. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Officer Patello, would you like to place your name on the record as to the Alvarez Padron case?
Yes, Officer Botello, Badge 374, Detroit Police Department.
All right, thank you. All right, have a great day, everyone, on that one. Thanks.
Thank you. You too.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. All right, guys, may I have the Jamar Pittman file, please?
Your Honor, on Juwan Perry, if he can, he's requesting an adjournment because he's had a funeral in the family. And I was wondering if we could get him out of here.
As long as he's not scheduled for trial, that's fine. When do you want a pretrial date?
Yes, we can have a pretrial day would be great.
All right, so we'll bring him back April 21st.
Okay, April 21st.
All right, Mr. Perry, we'll see you back April 21st
Can
at
we-
9:15.
Yeah,
I'm sorry,
okay,
wait a
that's
minute.
good. That's good.
Okay.
That's fine. I can, if we could do it the 22nd or the 20th, it would be a little better.
22nd is fine for me. So April 22nd, 9:15 a.m. All right, Mr. Perry. So he may just be busy with the funeral. Please just make sure you relay that to him. April 22nd,
Okay,
9:15
thank
a.m.
you.
All
I'll
right,
get to it.
thank you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Calling ticket number 414-131 and P132-8629, City and SP 132-86291. All of these are City versus Jamar Pittman. Mr. Pittman, please unmute and state your name for the record.
Jamar Pittman.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Pittman, I have tickets for no operator's license, license suspended. That's the nature of your charges. We have verified the validity of your license with the Secretary of State. Defense counsel has made a motion to dismiss, which I am doing right now. Your tickets are dismissed for compliance. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you. You too.
Thank you. All right, I've got, right, we want to get Omega Palmer scheduled for bench trial. You want to come back on the same date as Pizmenti was scheduled for, Attorney Soroki?
Yes, that's fine, Your Honor.
Okay, we may have the Edward, oh, we got that one. All right, what date did we give you on Pizmenti? Do you remember? Do you know?
I think it was the 22nd. Let's see here. No, 28th.
28th?
April 28th. April 28th at 9:30.
All right, we want to set Ms. Palmer for April 28th at 9:30 as well?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, Ms. Palmer, good morning.
Good morning.
All right, we'll see you back April 28th, 9:30 in the morning, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
That's by Zoom also, Your Honor.
By Zoom, yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, I've got ticket number U601-03321, City versus Edward James Pearson. Mr. Pierce, why do I have Pearson in this file and that says Pierce? Hold on. Did I misname him? Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Pearson, please state your name for the record.
Hey, how you doing, Mr. Edward James Pearson?
Very good. The city has made a motion to dismiss your ticket. I'm going to go ahead and grant that motion at this time. Your ticket is dismissed.
Thank you very
Have a
much.
great day. Thank you. All right. Your ticket is dismissed, Mr. Pearson. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Why do I have all these people in the waiting room again? Oh, Malcolm Talley's back and not giving him his stuff. All right, Mr. Talley, I'll be right with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have Dwayne Trimble. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Calling ticket number P1871960, City versus Dwayne Tramble. Please state your name for the record, Mr. Tramble.
Dwayne Lamont Tramble.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of failure to display a valid license. The insurance ticket would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Sir, are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
The counsel advised you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial.
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, I do.
Raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I do.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on February 25th of 2026, in the area of Linden and Myers, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to either pay it in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things, your deal will remain in place. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Reginald Page, good morning. Please unmute. Have you been in to see an Officer Walsh? I'm going to need to know which citizen you're here for, please. Mr. Page, have you seen an attorney yet this morning?
No.
And you were scheduled for 8:30 a.m. today.
Yes,
You
I
have
did.
registered license tickets. Do you have valid registration today?
No, ma'am.
And what are you doing about your driver's license?
I take my road test today.
All right, I'm going to give you a date to come back. Madam Clerk, would you make a note? Reginald Page, we're going to set him for a pretrial. We'll set you for another court date, April 21st at 8:35 a.m. Do not be late. We're not usually here this late. We just have a large docket today. You need to be on time, 8:35 a.m. on
Okay.
April the. And if you have stuff like you've gotten your license or you've gotten taken care of the registration, all those are things we're going to want to know when you come back to court, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Can I please get that court date one more time?
April 21st, 8:35 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Officer Walsh, which case are you here on, please?
Isaiah Thomas. I was in room 1, but my Zoom kicked me off.
Thank you. All right, I'm sending you back to room 1. All right, Daquan.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, your screen froze. It looks like you were asleep. All right, what's your name? Full name, please.
It's D.
Oh, this is not good. I've got Daquan. What's the last name? Here,
It's
I'm going to stop.
Porterfield, Your Honor.
Yeah, I know it's not working. Hold on.
Okay.
I've just stopped your. I'm going to stop your video to try to get the audio to get better.
Okay, perfect.
All right, there we go. Okay, now I got Daquan for the first name. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
And what is your last name?
It's Porterfield. Porterfield.
Thank you. Do you have proof of insurance today, Mr. Porterfield?
Your Honor,
That's yes or
I
no.
almost have it. I need like 1 hour today and I'll have it.
All right. You want to come back and see me next week?
Yeah, that'd be perfect.
All right. You bring your proof next week. What's today?
Today's the 7th, April.
So we'll see you back April 14th, okay? Why don't you come back April 14th, 8:35 a.m. If you have that proof of insurance, this will be a lot better for you.
Okay, thank you very much. I'll have it.
Have a great day. We'll see you then. Bye.
You as well. Bye-bye.
Okay. I guess like our microphones don't really work in here, but they work in the other places because I can hear it.
They fixed some.
Attorney Soroki, you know you've got your SOS on room 11. Support chat. What's going on with Greer Trotty? All right, on Kevin Tates Jr., they need an SOS there.
I sent an email to Attorney Johnson. He's suspended, he owes money on the ticket, and he has cases and warrants.
All right, let's just name that one. We'll bring Mr. Pauling out. Attorney Soroki? Can I have the Ronald Pauling file? All right, Ms. Horn, would you please check the room names as well as participant names for offers they're looking for? They're looking for an offer in room 12.
Okay, I'll take a look, Your Honor. Thank you.
Talk to you in room 13. So room 12 and 13 both need you, and 37. All right, Mr. Pauling, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. All right. Calling ticket number P1784415 and all other related matters on today's docket to P City versus Ronald Pauling. Mr. Pauling, please state your name for the record.
Ronald Pauling.
Thank you. Mr. Pauling, looks like you're going to plead guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, 1 count of improper plates. The other matters would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial? Mr. Pauling, did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand, Mr. Pauling. Do you swear to tell the truth today?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on August 28th of 2025 in the area of Woodward and Lothrop that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, sir, the fine on your failure to display is $190 on the improper plates. I can reduce that one to $100 since it's on the same ticket. So $290 altogether. You have 60 days to do one of 2 things: pay these tickets in full, or if you need more time to pay than 60 days, you can go see the cashiers on the 1st floor of the courthouse tell them you need a longer term payment plan and they will provide you with one, okay?
Okay.
All right, you just need to give them the down payment. If you do that before your 60 days runs out, your deal remains in place. Have a good day.
And you said how much is it all together?
$290.
Okay.
Okay, have a good day. Bye-bye.
You too.
All right, Mr. Talley, what's going on with you? Good morning. Give me 1 second, Mr. Thomas.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hi. Good morning. You're back.
I am back, unfortunately.
All right, what does that mean? They're not returning your items to you?
My items were returned to me. However, Your Honor, I have a pending ticket under the same matter. And it says carrying concealed pistol with body alcohol content 0.2 to 0.8.
That's not appropriate. That ticket was dismissed at the end of our hearing the other day.
It states that it was filed on March the 31st, 2026. It says a due date. I have a due date on here for April the 14th, 2026, in the amount of $130.
Okay, give me just a minute to pull the information up, okay? Because that
Yes,
doesn't
ma'am.
sound right. Give me just a minute. Okay, Madam Clerk, would you pull up Mr. Talley's matters while I call the DeAndre Thomas case, please? Calling ticket number P1807575 and P1842280, City versus DeAndre Thomas. Mr. Thomas, please state your name.
DeAndre Thomas.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Thomas, looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, 2 improper plates, and everything else would be dismissed. You are requesting a longer term payment plan. Does that all sound right to you? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. And did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Mr. Thomas, I have a court reporter who's trying to take a record. If you're not sure that you want to enter a plea today, you don't have to. Okay, that's what trials are for. If you do want to, I need you to speak up so that the court reporter can hear what you're saying.
It's like a static.
Yeah, okay, I'm going to stop your video. Maybe that'll help. Hold on. Everybody's got bad audio today. Okay, Mr. Thomas, can you hear me now?
I can, but I still hear the static. But
Okay, let's try it like this. Are you pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license and 2 counts of improper plates with everything else being dismissed?
yes, ma'am.
And did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial? And do you
Yes.
understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Correct. Yes.
Raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear.
Thank you. All right. Is it true, sir, that on October 7th of 2025 in the area of Joy and Stahalin, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Correct.
Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time?
Yes.
And was that due to a lack of insurance in part?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. On your failure to display, the fine is $190. On the improper plate, $100 and $100. Okay, so $390 altogether.
Okay.
I'm giving you 60 days. Within those 60 days, either pay these in full or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse for here, you asked me for a longer time. I'll give you 90 days, okay? 90 days. But if you know you need more than 90 days, that's fine. Just go see the cashiers at the courthouse, at the first floor, and you can give them a down payment. I think it's usually like 25% of the total. you give them a down payment and they can give you a much longer payment plan than I can, and your deal will remain in place as long as you give them the down payment, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
All right, have a great day.
You as well. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Saroki? I know you've got another client in room, is it 11? You got somebody in 11. Ms. Tisdale, good morning. Please activate your video, unmute.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right. Please start your video. Calling ticket number P1872068, City versus Serenity Tisdale. Ms. Tisdale, state your name, please.
Serenity Tisdale.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Tisdale, I'm taking a plea, so if you can activate your camera, please do so.
Hello?
Yes, Ms. Tisdale, please activate your camera. Thank you. All right. All right. This is ticket number P1872068, City versus Serenity Tisdale. Ms. Tisdale, state your name, please.
Serenity Tisdale.
Thank you. Looks like you're plead guilty to 1 count of improper plates, and no insurance is going to be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone force you into a guilty plea or threaten you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Anyone promise you anything I don't know about to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did the attorney advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
I understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial.
Okay. Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth today?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true that on March 4th of 2026, in the area of West McNichols and Lindsay, that you were driving a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. I'm giving you 60 days to do one of 2 things: pay the fine off in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the 1st floor of the courthouse. They can give you a much longer term payment plan than I can if you give them a down payment. As long as you give them the down payment within the 60 days, your deal remains in place, okay?
Okay.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, I've got Robert Clarence Pearl. Mr. Pearl, please unmute.
Huh?
Hi, what time were you, have you been in to see an attorney yet?
No, ma'am.
All right, and what time were you scheduled to be in court today?
1:30.
Okay, so you're early for court, very early. All right. Can you tell me what Mr. Pearl's charges are, please, when you get a moment?
Our license suspended, without operator's license, no insurance, misdemeanor, expired plates, and
Thank you.
registration.
One moment, sir.
I can't offer anything on that DDOT guy. You gotta have a inspection on a commercial vehicle.
Can you, if you have offers on these trial cases, would you?
Did I miss any?
Well, I was just saying if you could rename the room, or I can. Your officers are here on Alexis Porch and Walter Trapp, who are both here. Carl Tez Tipton also is for trial, and officer is here.
Okay, because I was looking at the ones and they didn't say need offer, they just said trials. I
Yeah.
wasn't sure.
That's just a reminder to us that they are trial cases.
Got it.
Set for trial.
Okay.
But if you've got an offer on them, please go ahead and
Okay.
let them know. Just leave the word trial there so I know.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay. All right, Mr. Pearl, you're going to get a date to come back. And if you come back and you have some of these things taken care of,
Yes, ma'am.
like insurance, registration, license, things will go a little bit easier.
Okay.
I'm going to give the date to come back April the 21st, okay, at 8:35 a.m.
Okay. Yeah, I got the car registered and I got a tag on the insurance. I had a guy. He had a medical emergency. He had cancer and he started
Right.
bleeding. So
Oh,
that's the
Mr.
only I
Pearl,
had to
oh,
take to
Mr.
the
Pearl,
hospital.
Mr. Pearl.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there's certain things that you should say to me, and there's certain things that you should say to an attorney that will be
Okay.
appointed when you come back on the 21st, okay? So when you come back on the 21st, there will be an attorney to talk to you, and then you can tell them all of that you wanted to tell me.
Okay. I'm sorry.
That's okay. All right, we'll see you back on the 21st at 8:35 a.m. Don't come at
All right.
1:30. All right?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, we've got Darius Tate, who looks like he'll be ready next. We need Ms. Horn because we're going to start the trial on.
Did you see Mr.
So, okay, let's take a look at this. Mr. Talley?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, they gave me something that says they have an offense date of March 25th, 2026.
Right. That's the day that was of the evidentiary hearing.
Right, okay, so that is an improper offense date because Larned and Beaubien is the same place where this occurred prior, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. I'm going to get Ms. Horn out here. Okay, ready on the Darius Tate file. I'm bringing the city attorney out, Mr. Talley.
Yes, ma'am.
This ticket is going to be dismissed, but I want her to know. Calling ticket number P1859123, City versus and all other matters on today's docket related to City versus Darius Tate. Mr. Tate, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Darius Tate.
Thank you. Sir, it looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of reduced charge of failure to display a valid license with everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Correct.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on February 21st of 2026, in the area of West Adams and Clifford, that you operated a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine there is going to be $190. You have 60 days. Within the 60 days, you may pay the fine in full or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse for a longer term payment plan if you need one, as long as you give them at least the down payment within the next 60 days to start on a longer term payment plan. This deal will remain in place. Okay.
Gotcha.
All right. Have a great day. Thank you.
You as well. Thank you.
Ms. Horn.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Talley is back with us today. He has a ticket on today's docket. Mr. Talley is our gun case that we just had all these long hearings on. He now received a notice to return to court today for a ticket for carrying concealed with body alcohol content 0.2 to 0.8. The exact same matter that we already resolved and decided. Further, I'm concerned that this has now been issued with an offense date of March 25th, 2026, which is the date that we had our hearing, the date that which these were dismissed. Can you help me understand why Mr. Talley is back?
Nobody advised me that this was being reissued. To my knowledge, it might have been one of the ones that they did in the car on the date of the hearing. It's probably the same ticket. It's probably reflecting the same ticket, because I think there were some issues with that previous ticket, the one that was dismissed. I think, because remember, the date was wrong, and then
Well, right,
what
but
else?
they've the exact same thing where they've listed the offense date as March 25th.
I think that's an error, because they were trying to reissue it when I was telling them prior to the hearing about the defection in the ticket, which was the date, and it was something
Gotcha.
else, the fact that it should have been a civil infraction instead of
Yes.
the misdemeanor. I think that just went through, because is it written now as a civil infraction?
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
I
I'm going
think
to
that's
call
the
it
same
and
ticket.
I'm going to call this
Okay.
and just prejudice
Oh,
so the record is clear. Okay.
okay.
All right. Calling ticket number SP 1867971, City versus Malcolm Talley. Mr. Talley, please state your name for the record. Why do we not have any sound on you? Can you speak up? Maybe because your earphones are in? Bluetooth, earphones, something's interfering.
Oh, Tally.
Thank you, Mr. Talley. Okay. And Ms. Horn, your appearance, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
All right, thank you. As discussed, this matter was previously disposed of, seems to have come back onto the docket through some technical error. This ticket would be defective on its face. Number one is it lists an improper offense date. However, I am dismissing the ticket again with prejudice, because that was the outcome of our last hearing regarding this same exact matter. All right, thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Talley.
All right. Okay, thank you.
All right. Yep.
All right, Attorney Johnson. Oh, he's got his trials now. All right, ready on Donis Patterson.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll take that file when you have it, please, Madam Clerk. Thank you. All right, I have ticket number P1862356 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Donis Patterson. Are you aware that he has a failure to stop in default from 2025, November of 2025?
Yes, Your Honor, that's part of the plea here. We have, he has two failed to stops.
Yeah.
Or actually one, I see, yeah, they're both dated. I guess the default date was January 22nd of 26.
Okay, but everything has been included in the plea offer, just so I know
Yes,
that.
everything's
Okay,
been included, except for the impeding traffic, which is 9/8 of 25. But that's
okay, thank you. Okay. All right, Attorney Soroki, just need your appearance, please.
default. Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Thank you. And Mr. Patterson, please unmute, state your name for the record.
Honest Patterson.
Thank you. All right, so Mr. Patterson, we have dismissal of these two tickets that were in default of failure to stop. And then Attorney Soroki, there's a plea just to reckless driving straight up.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. And Mr. Patterson, did anyone promise you anything else?
No.
Need you to plead today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Okay, please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I do.
Thank you. All right. So this ticket alleges that on February 4th of 2026, in the area of Pembroke and Ferguson, that you engaged in reckless driving, including disregarding a stop sign, multiple stop signs, and driving at a high rate of speed. Is that correct?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. All right, your fine on this one is, are you satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, the fine here is going to be $190, 60 days to either pay it in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. Attorney Soroki, I'm assuming you are moving these tickets out of default and requesting that they be dismissed pursuant to the plea.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. That motion is granted. All right, Mr. Patterson,
Yes.
please stop for stop signs. We all have people that we care about, and you have a number of these failure to stop tickets. They're not for decoration on the corner. They're there because they save lives. Please adhere to them. All right? Are you not hearing me, or are you annoyed with
Oh,
me?
yes,
Because
yes.
I've made your fine as low as I can possibly make it. So if you think this is a joke, I can revisit that.
No, I don't think
I'm
it
not
is.
joking at all. I consider it very serious that you are accused of blowing through multiple stop signs at a high rate of speed. And I have 2 other tickets for apparently the same thing. That is concerning. All right? I don't
All
want to
right.
see you back here on these again, because your name, thanks to your last name, falls on my docket. So you run another stop sign, you'll be coming back to see me, and I'll be looking at this record again. Got it?
Yes.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Your Honor, I have a question. Those matters that are in warrant status for a particular individual, with an adjourned pretrial date, would those be ready out of warrant status by then so they all can be addressed, or how does that work?
Yes, they'll come out so that there can be a global resolution.
Okay, then, so I'll just give a return date for the April 21st then.
Okay, are you on the evens?
I'm on the evens.
Okay,
And
room 12. I don't know if you see that an offer has been written there by Ms. Horn for room 12.
Let me look right quickly. Give me a moment.
Have a good day, everyone. Thank you.
You too, Attorney Soroki. Good to see you. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Okay,
And
I've been working with,
given the number of tickets there in the plea offer, just make them aware that they can request community service, etc. Okay.
okay,
All right. On 22, you have a note requesting reinstatement. Does that person just want to be able to pay their reinstatement fee first?
that's a review. It's a person's on probation. It's a violation of probation. They want to be reinstated. They want their probation reinstated.
All right. Thank you. I'll bring them out. Thank you for that.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. I've got William Tolliver.
Yeah, I don't know if we never signed anything. We never scheduled a violation hearing, so they did print out a request on March 23, but I didn't get it.
Okay, we'll deal with
I
it.
don't know if he just needs to speak back to probation officer.
I just want to be clear on Mr. Mr. Tate. I just want to be clear on Mr. Tate. Kevin Tate's, all of those matters that are in warrant status should be out by April the 21st, the status.
So, Madam Clerk, for Kevin Tates Jr., we will remove all of the warrants.
Okay, all right.
And
then
then back, they will all be together.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome.
Let's see, he's in, where is he? Tates.
This is Mr. Tolliver.
Yeah, checking my email. No, it's not right. Yeah, they did they did send it. I was looking at William and they put Williams.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm trying to get him to come out, but he's not.
Officer Bumpus is his probation officer. Okay.
Yeah. And what's going on with Greer Trotty? I don't know what this means. It just says Ms. Horn, and I don't know. Can I have the Trotty file so I can try to understand what the issue is there? That's on Trotty?
Effective race and proper equipment. That's the problem.
Ms. Trotty? Or Mr. Trotty?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning. All right, so they have a note next to your name that they want to talk to Ms. Horn, but you really just have insurance and expired plates. Do you have those things today?
Yes, I showed the attorney.
Okay, very good. And did you get your brake lights fixed?
Yes, I showed him as well.
And what'd you do about your window tint?
The officer at the 10th precinct, not the one that ticketed me, I had took the tickets that I got up to the precinct to have them sign off on whatever they could, and he signed off on the brake light and the tint.
Okay.
But I don't have the copy of that. I tore my car up because he told me to keep it in my car for 90 days just to make sure. And my oldest son cleaned my car out, and I'm afraid he threw it away.
Okay. Well, all of that, I mean, I find you to be credible, so I'll take your testimony there. I'm going to go ahead and call your cases, okay? I'm calling P187-5684 and P187-5707. These are both City versus Greer Trotty. Just state your name for me for the record.
Greer Trotty.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Trotty. So you've got ticket for expired plates, defective lights, window tint, and no insurance. I take you at your word that you have shown the insurance and plate information to the attorney, and because they had a note by your name. And then you've informed me that you did take care of the defective brake lights and tinted windows. I do find you credible on that issue. All right, I'm going to go ahead and dismiss your tickets at this time. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, here's Cyrus Parker back again. No, I've been holding the file because he disappeared. Cyrus Parker, unmute, please.
Hi, I'm sorry. My court was at 8 and I had work at 10.
So I've
So
seen you in and out all morning. Did you ever speak with an attorney?
yes, and I ended up getting disconnected, but he told me to get the registration for the vehicle that I was in and join back. And we're
Was
trying
it
to
your
get No, it was not.
Calling ticket number P1801721, City versus Cyrus Parker. Mr. Parker, please state your name for the record, please.
Cyrus Parker.
Thank you, Mr. Parker. You are not required under the law to have registration on another person's vehicle. That is the sole charge that you have today. Your ticket is dismissed.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye. I can't get Mr. Tolliver to come out of the breakout room.
Put it up here so you can see that they made the request.
Thank you.
This is Tiffany, and these are our trials.
Okay, thank you. Need to get this trial going. Retain counsel waiting for trial. Let's go. All right, Mr. Tipton, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm okay.
Right, looks like we're gonna have a plea in your matter with a 3-month delayed sentence, dismissal of other matters. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right, let me just get the officer out here. Okay, give me just a minute to try to get folks out who need to come out. Hey, Ms. Horn.
Yep.
We've got a trial that apparently is going to go in room 6. I just want to get that started shortly because we've had retained counsel here waiting for a while this morning.
Is it Mr. Sullivan? I haven't spoken with him. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I think his client rejected the offer for some reason, so.
Okay, let's see. Sullivan. Just looking. Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Oh, madam, let's see. Walsh. Let me talk to Walsh. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks. All right, calling ticket number SP 186-67951, City versus Carltez Tipton. Mr. Tipton, please state your name for the record.
Carlton Tipton.
Thank you. Mr. Tipton, we just discussed that it looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to a 3-month delayed sentence on the being in the city park after dark, and then the marijuana charge is going to be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
Can you say that again?
Did anyone promise you? What did I do? Okay.
I heard.
Okay. Did anyone promise you anything that I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today? No?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, he did.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on February 13th of 2026 in the area of 24th Street and West Jefferson, that you were in a city park after posted closing hours?
Yes.
Thank you. The fine is $190. You put your hand down. 190. You have 90 days to get it paid. As long as you pay that off within the 90 days and don't get any similar tickets, we'll just pull this up and dismiss it at the end of the 90 days.
Okay.
If something happens where you don't get it paid off in full, or because you need more time to pay, or you have picked up a similar ticket, then you have to come back and see me on July the 6th. Okay.
Okay.
It's same thing, 8:30 in the morning if you need to.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, what else do we have here? Looks like Attorney Johnson has gone back to room 2. Does he know where to find your offers? I can't get Officer Morales out. Right, let's move them out. They're dismissing on Isaiah Thomas. Thank you. All right, Attorney Sullivan. All right, looks like the office has informed city attorney that they have no recollection of the event. City has agreed to dismiss. Calling ticket number P1825544, City versus Isaiah Thomas Jr. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Andrew Sullivan, P84261, here on behalf of Isaiah Thomas.
Thank you, Mr. Thomas. Please unmute, state your name for the record.
Isaiah Thomas.
Thank you. Today is the date and time set for trial. The officer did appear and inform the city attorney that they had no independent recollection of the events. As a result, city attorney has moved to dismiss the matter. I am prepared to grant that dismissal. Attorney Sullivan.
No objection, Judge.
Thank you. Case is dismissed with prejudice for the officer's inability to recall. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Attorney Johnson, I was just making sure you knew that Ms. Horn had placed offers in the room names, on the names of the rooms.
I did. However,
Okay.
there's one I just need clarification with Ms. Horn if she's available to go back into 2.
All right, thank you. I don't know if she can hear us at the moment. Would you mind visiting room 3 for me as well? Because Attorney Tessa Miriam is stuck on a large case in room 12.
Okay.
Or which at 4 was that? What did I say? I've got
You said 3, but
trials.
yeah.
I said 3. I've got someone in 3, someone in 4. So if you would visit both of those for me, I would appreciate it.
Yeah, 3 is the one I need
Okay.
clarification on.
Okay. Would you check on 4 for me, please? Looks like the offers to open intoxicants passenger and dismissal of 2 other charges.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's take a look at, can I see Alexis Porch? Can I see the file on Alexis Porch? Thank you. All right. So 6-month delay on the false info, 1 to 5 limited. and the seatbelt ticket. So 6 months away on the false info. Change that one to a seatbelt. Oh, I see what he means, because she's got something about a false info and we don't, oh, there she is. That's the 6 months. 6 months away on the false info. 1 to 5 over on the speed and a seatbelt. Makes sense to me. And when he comes out, I'll ask him what's confusing about it. I feel bad because I can't get William Tolliver to come out of the breakout room. He's been there a long time. But I keep prompting him and he's not coming. Didn't Walter Trapp? Oh yeah, there he is. He's in 4. That's who Attorney Johnson is talking to now.
Hi, Your Honor. I'm not sure if I'm intruding. I just wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything. I stepped away real quick.
No, you're not intruding. Attorney Johnson had a question for you on room 3. It's pretty clear to me when I look at the ticket, so I'm not sure what his question was. But he seemed to have some level of confusion. I have not been able to get Officer Morales to come out, and I've already dealt with Carlton Tipton.
Okay.
So Officer Morales could be released.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'll go in and see. Or I can text because I got the number.
Okay. Yeah, they're free to go. Attorney Johnson is dealing with Walter Trapp right now. He had a question on Alexis Porch. And Attorney Tessa Miriam's been in there with Elijah Tilley for quite a while.
Yeah.
But it looks like there's quite a bit to resolve. That looks like a bench trial case to me, but.
Okay, I got that. We handled Sullivan and his client, I see.
Yep, that one got done. Thank you for that.
I texted Morales. Okay, thank you. And I'll wait for Port.
So all we need to know, is what's going on with rooms 3 and 4. Walter Trapp is done. We'll bring Attorney Johnson out. Ms. Horn, can you hear me now?
I can hear you, Your Honor. I think you.
Okay, looks like Attorney Johnson is done with Mr. Trapp, so I'm going to move him to room 2 to see you because that's what he was asking for. Just try to let him know.
Thank you.
Okay, so he should go to 2. Good morning again, Mr. Trapp. Attorney Johnson is back and she'll meet you in room 2.
Okay.
Okay, Attorney Johnson, Ms. Horn will meet you in room 2.
Thank you.
Calling ticket number SP18464 891 and SP18464 City versus Walter Trapp. Counsel, your appearance, please. Okay, he left us. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Trapp.
Walter Trapp.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to open alcohol passenger and other matters being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial? Did counsel advise you that you would have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at that trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it true, sir, that on December 30th of 2025 in the area of Puritan and Schaefer, that you were in a motor vehicle that was operating on a public roadway with open alcohol in the passenger area.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. The fine on your ticket is $190. You have 60 days to do one of two things: pay the tickets in full, or go see the cashiers at the courthouse, at the first floor of the courthouse. Tell them you need a longer term payment plan if you need one, and give them a down payment. As long as you give them the down payment within the 60 days to start the payment plan, your deal will remain in place. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye. All right. Madam Clerk, would you please just, oh, here it is. It's not attached. I found what I was looking for. Sergeant Eason, would you like to place your name on the record for the Walter Trapp matter?
Yes, ma'am. Sergeant Easton, badge number 668, Detroit Police.
Thank you. Mr. Trapp just accepted the plea that was offered. He has gone, but our record was still open as to that case, so we've got you recorded. Thank you for your appearance today. Have a good day, Sergeant Eason.
Thank you, ma'am. You as well.
Bye. I feel like there's something wrong with my audio today, too. Like people are not hearing me very well. One person did say it was staticky. One person did say it was staticky. Okay. So on Elijah Tilley, we accepted, except for this U ticket that she says she can't find. Would you please take a look at this one ticket, please? It's U59384521.
She made, it's not, it's on the docket. I don't understand.
I don't either. Mr. Tilley, I'll be right with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Looks like the attorney, your attorney went back in to speak with the city attorney, so I just don't want to act prematurely. I'm just going to wait and make sure she's done speaking with her about your matter, okay?
No problem.
Maybe she didn't write something that, she didn't write anything.
And can I have the file on Alexis Porch, please? I got a feeling she'll be ready next.
I think we should have that one.
Okay. You are right, I do.
Yeah, I don't know what she meant.
Okay, well, she's talking to Ms. Horn, so hopefully they'll get that worked out. I'm gonna stop your video and mute you for just a moment, Mr. Tilley. As soon as the attorney's done, we'll get you done.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you for your patience today. Yeah, I'm not sure what she means either, but I guess we'll know in a minute. This poor Mr. Tolliver, maybe he's asleep. I can't get him to come out of the breakout room. What was that? Attorney Tesfamariam, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I need Mr. Tilley and I need Mr. Trapp. If you would put them into a breakout room for me, that would be helpful.
I'm gonna put you, Mr. Tilley. Mr. Tilley, I'm sending you to, where'd Mr. Tilley go?
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am.
Tilley, I'm gonna send you to room 11. Please hit join.
Okay.
Right, he'll be in room 11. Go ahead and, Ms. Tesfamariam, just go ahead and see Mr. Tilley, please. I'll pull the trap file.
Okay, where did he go, Mr. Trapp? I don't see him in the court.
Just please go see Mr. Tilley. I will pull the trap file.
Thank you.
I just want to see the file. Can you mute us, please? Good morning.
Good morning.
Can someone, so is this gone on Ms. Horn, on Ms. Porch?
Yes, Your Honor.
This was originally listed as seat or seat belt, and now it looks like it's a straight admission to the failure to secure passenger. Did something change?
No, I couldn't squeeze everything in, so I just put
Okay.
seatbelt. So I meant just pleading straight up to the seatbelt ticket.
Okay, thank you. All right. Calling ticket number P1862321, City versus, and all other related matters on today's docket, 2 City versus Alexis Porch. Ms. Porch, please state your name for the record.
Alexis Porch.
Thank you. Ms. Porch, it appears you're going to be admitting to 1 to 5 over limited access, which is 0 points, failure to secure a passenger, which is also, I believe, 0 points, but I'll double check. And then you're going to do a 6-month delayed sentence on the false info. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Madam Clerk, could you help me by pulling up the failure to secure? I need to know the fine and possible points on it.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. Did anyone, Attorney Johnson, you want to place an appearance on the record here? Sorry.
Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf of with Ms. Porch. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Porch. Go ahead and state your name one more time for the record.
Alexis Porch.
Thank you. And the plea I described sounds correct to you?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Ma'am, is it true that on February 4th of 2026, in the area of Outer Drive and Rutherford Street, you were stopped by an officer, and at that time, while you were operating a vehicle, and at that time supplied false information or identification to the police officer?
Yes.
Thank you. That's your 6-month delayed sentence. Is it, you are also admitting that on that same date and location, you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit, is that correct?
Yes.
And you're also admitting under oath or testifying under oath that you failed to properly secure a passenger or child in the vehicle?
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, on your false information ticket, that's a 6-month delayed sentence. The fine is $190. That means you have 6 months to get that paid. If you don't get it all paid in the 6 months, or you pick up a similar ticket, both which would jeopardize your delayed sentence, then you'll come back and see me in 6 months if you need to, which would be October the 5th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay.
Okay, on your 1 to 5 over limited access, that one is $125. And then the failure to secure passenger. Thank you. And on your failure to secure passenger, that one is $120. Okay, so you have 3 fines: $190, $125, and $120. On your, thank you very much, Ms. Horn. Appreciate that. Is 0 points and does not report out. So I've got your 125 and 120. On the 125, that's the limited access 1 to 5 over. And then on the failure to secure the passenger, that's the 120. On those two, I'm giving you 60 days to do one of 2 things: pay them in full, or come see the cashiers on the 1st floor of the courthouse, and they can give you a longer term payment plan if you need one. Okay.
Okay.
But you just need to give them the down payment to start it. And as long as you do that, the deal remains in place. Just at least give them the down payment within the 60 days and stay on your payment plan. Okay.
Okay, and they will tell me what the down payment is when I come in?
They will. Hi. So, yep, I always say, if you know you need it, I come see them sooner rather than later, because you have 60 days to get that down payment together. So the sooner you know how much it is, the better. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Thank you, Attorney Johnson, for all of your work today. Always a pleasure. You are free to go and do whatever you need to do.
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care, everybody. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. All right. I'm going to call the Elijah Tilley matter. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Porch. Thank you. All right. And thank you, Ms. Horn. Calling ticket number P1799904 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Elijah Tilley. Appearances, please. Ms. Horn, are you placing an appearance in this matter?
Yes, I can, Your Honor. Thank you so much. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Thank you. All right. And Attorney Tesfamariam.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lucille Towns, Tesfamariam, P number 37099, on behalf of Mr. Tilley.
Thank you. Mr. Tilley, please unmute, turn on your camera, and state your name for the record, please.
Name is Elijah Tilley.
Thank you. All right. Attorney Tesfamariam, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, there is an offer by the people. My client would like to avail himself of that offer. He has been advised of his rights.
Thank you. All right. And the terms of the plea?
He would plead.
The last notes that I had were 7 failures to display, 3 improper plates, and a 12-month delayed sentence on the trespass and solicitation.
And Your Honor,
the trespass would be dismissed, Your Honor, per the people. The trespassing charge would be dismissed. And you said you had accosting and soliciting for him?
Well, so I have
being amended. The people are moving to amend to disorderly, and that all that we request of him as part of the sentencing recommendation is testing.
Okay, so let me once again try to understand the terms of the plea. Are we pleading to 7 failure to displays?
That is the offer, Your Honor.
Is that correct, Ms. Tesfamariam, that your client is going to plead to 7 failure to displays?
And it's 4 improper plates, if I recall correctly. It's 4 improper plates as well.
I have 7 failures to display, 3 improper plates. So I just want to get through these one at a time, guys. So right now I'm asking him, how many counts of failure to display is Mr. Tilley pleading to? Is it 7? That's what's written on the room note. So that would have been the offer. 7 counts of failure to display.
That sounds correct, Your Honor.
Okay. And then I have 3 counts of improper plate. Is that correct?
That is the offer, Your Honor.
And is that what your client is availing himself of, Attorney Tesfamariam? Then it would be also 3 counts of improper plates on top of the 7 failure to display?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And then I have the next note that I had on the offer, which it sounds like this part has been revised. I have a 12-month delay on trespass and solicitation. So the trespass is being dismissed at this time, I understand, according to the plea offer. Is that correct?
That is the offer, Your Honor.
Okay, but then there is a solicitation charge.
Which will be amended to disorderly conduct.
Okay.
And
on that one, is that going to be a delayed sentence, or is that or probation? What's the recommendation? I'm not clear.
12-month delay on that. And you're
Okay.
correct. I just want to make sure we're dismissing the trespass.
But we'll dismiss that one. 12-month delay with testing is the request as per the offer. Is that correct?
Yes, and an amendment to disorderly conduct to avoid the high penalty as charged.
All right, thank you. Okay, Mr. Tilley, does all of that sound right to you? 7 counts of failure to display, 3 counts of improper plate, 1 count of disorderly conduct with a 12-month sentence delay, everything else being dismissed.
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Sir, please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, guys, are there specific ticket numbers that we are using?
And Your Honor, no, there isn't. I will leave that to the court's discretion, especially for the convenience of the factual basis.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Mr. Tilley,
Yes.
is it true that on September 23rd of 2025, in the area of Gratiot and East Grand Boulevard, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on September 20th of 2025, in the area of Van Dyke and Lynch Road in the city of Detroit, that you operated a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it also true that you could not produce a valid license to show to the officer at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it also true, sir, that on December 20th of 2022 in the area of Van Dyke and Stockton, that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on your vehicle at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it also true that you did not have insurance at that time, which also made your plates improper?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, so I think that takes care of our 3 improper plates there. Now we'll continue with our failure to display tickets. Is it true, sir, that on December 19th of 2022 in the area of Van Dyke and East McNichols, that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, give me 1 second, please.
Take your time.
What is going on over next door? One, two, 3, 4. Okay. Is it true, sir, that on January 12th of 2021 in the area of East State Fair in Goulburn, that you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it also true that on January 9th of 2021 in the area of East Davis and Service Drive and Sherwood, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. 6, I think. And then is it also true that on January 9th of 2021 in the area of Van Dyke and Emily, that you operated a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. One moment, please. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, that's that. And then I have our other ticket. All right. And finally, sir, is it true that on July 16th of 2020, you engaged in behavior which would have at least been considered disorderly under the city ordinance by disturbing the peace or welfare of someone else around you?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, counsel, are you satisfied as to all of the factual bases?
Counsel satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right, we're going to go through the fines. Everything else is dismissed pursuant to the plea. Looks like 16 other matters.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Tilly, do you want to write these down somewhere? You'll be able to find them later on the court's website as well.
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
All right. Your fines are on the first failure to display, that's $190. On your second failure to display, that one's $190. On your third failure to display, that one's $190. On your fourth failure to display, that one's $190. On your first improper plates, that one is $100. On your fifth failure to display, that one is $190. On your second improper plate, that one is $100. On your sixth failure to display, that one is $190. On your seventh failure to display, that one is $190. And your third improper plate is $100. On your disorderly conduct, that one is $190.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I am going to give you try and think just how best to do this for you. All right. Here's what we're going to do. On your disorderly conduct, that is a 12-month delayed sentence. Your fine is $190 and you have 12 months to get that paid off. If you get it paid off, within the 12 months, and you don't pick up any similar tickets, we will pull this ticket up in 12 months and simply dismiss it. However, if you get another ticket like this, or you do not get the 190 paid off in 12 months, then you have to come back and see me in 1 year on April the 7th, 2027 at 8:30 in the morning. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. On all of your other tickets, I'm giving you 90 days to do one of two things. You may pay the tickets in full, or you may go see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and tell them if you need a longer term payment plan. They will ask you for a down payment. As long as you give them the down payment within the next 90 days, then your deal will remain in place. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So I always say go see them sooner rather than later so that you know how much money they're going to want from you for the down payment. And you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
use the 90 days to get that together. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then the final thing is they've asked that you do some testing in accordance with your 12-month delayed sentence. So that also has to get done within the 12 months of that delayed sentence. Madam Clerk, is there a phone number that Mr. Tilley can call for his testing?
Yes.
Please get ready to take down this phone number, Mr. Tilley. You'll need to call them to go in for the testing.
Yes, ma'am.
It's 313-864-8205.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. All right. Have a good day, Mr. Tilley.
So, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Attorney Tesfamarian.
Yes, Your Honor.
Because you were working on Tilley, I asked Attorney Johnson to work on Walter Track, and he resolved that matter by plea that was made by the city attorney and which Mr. Track wished to accept.
I hope it was the better offer.
I don't know. Attorney Johnson represented him because you were with Mr. Tilley for quite a while, understandably. So Attorney Johnson took over.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you are welcome. All right,
Bye.
have a good day. Thank you for all of your work today.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Ms. Horn. Thank you, Ms. Pillow.
You're welcome, Judge. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge. Bye, everybody.
Aye. Okay, I'll just close the breakout rooms, try to get them out of here. There you go. Mr. Tolliver.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, sir. I've been trying to prompt you out of the breakout room for more than an hour now, and I couldn't get you out. So I had to finally just close all the rooms so I could get you.
Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know how to work it. I didn't know what happened.
That's okay. So you are being charged with violation of your probation. I'm calling case number Z8094391. This is City versus William Tolliver. Mr. Tolliver, please state your name for the record.
William Tolliver.
Mr. Tolliver, the probation department is alleging that you failed to report for drug testing on March 8th, March 14th, and March 20th. What's going on?
Yeah, that's true. Well, they switched my probation officers. I mean, it's not an excuse, but my first probation officer, he told me because I work in Toledo, so I commute every day from Detroit to Toledo, back and forth, and I work from 4:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. So he just told me, like, if I missed one day, if I missed the test a day, just make the test a day up. And I was kind of used to that because I'd be not stuck in Ohio, but I spend a night in Ohio to try to, downgrade my commute.
Telling me that you have had drug testing on days when you weren't scheduled to have it?
Yeah, they let me do a makeup test.
And
I had to pay an extra $25.
States when they're saying you violated, did you do that?
Well, no, she just told me don't even bother with it because the new probation officer told me that she said that's not her in her protocol. They switched my probation officers in February. Sciotti retired, and I got a new probation officer.
All right, so let's do this. I'm going to give you a date to come back, okay? Because they're going to appear and tell me what they're going to ask me to do with you because of these violations. So I'm informing you that they've charged you with the violation at this time. They're saying that you missed your drug testing on March 8th, the 14th, and the 20th. And then I'm going to give you a date to come back. Okay?
Okay. I got to do a test today.
Yes, my very strong suggestion to you, Mr. Tolliver, is that before you come back the next time, and I'm going to schedule it for 30 days out so that you have some time to kind of get right, okay?
Okay. Well,
I can understand. I can understand your former officer's policy because drugs do stay in your system for a while. It's not like alcohol that's eliminated more quickly. And so if you're making it up in a day or two, I could see that. So let's get you back here. Can you give me our 30-day date?
That's what they was. Yeah, they was drug testing me for alcohol. It was alcohol testing.
Oh, now that's different. I mean, alcohol testing, you need to report when you're told to report.
They it wasn't.
Know.
Yeah,
that's the whole point of random testing, Mr. Tolliver, for alcohol. Like we don't, for drugs too. Like we don't get to say, well, today's a good day for me to go take a test because I think it'll be clean today or whatever. And I understand what you're saying about your work schedule, but you do have to. The purpose of them being random is because they want to make sure you're not drinking at all. Right.
Right.
And so the tests have to be random to accomplish that. So can I get a 30-day date for Mr. Tolliver?
May 7th.
I'm going to bring you back May 7th for a hearing on your violations. As I said, I would do everything you can to be very consistent with your testing until May 7th. Okay.
Okay. That's not a problem.
All right. We'll see you back here May 7th at, we'll set it for 9 a.m. Okay.
Okay, now did my probation officer talk to you? Because she said that they was going to place me in a breakout room so I could meet with her today.
No, she wouldn't come today. That when I say that, I'm usually talking about the attorneys that are here working with people on pre-trials, but that's not what you have today. You have a violation hearing, okay, or you have an arraignment on your probation violations. So
right. No, I know.
Today,
I know. When I talked to my probation officer, when she did the violation, she said that she was going to speak to you because she wanted to meet with me as well for a visit. And she said that she was going to ask you guys if after the hearing today, you will be able to place me in a breakout room again so I can meet with her. Now, I don't know if she said anything to you guys about that or not, because that's what she told me, that after me and you talked, after our hearing today, that they will place me in a breakout room so I can meet with her and it can be counted as a scheduled visit.
Is it then? Well, we've tried to get in touch with her to ask her to come to this session, and we've not gotten a response, and she's not here. So you're going to need to reach out to her separately to do the visit. But we'll see you back here on May 7th, and just get in touch with her. We'll update the system so that she should know what happened today, which is that you're still on probation right now. You need to keep following all the orders of probation. See you on May 7th.
How long is the probation? I mean, when is the probation scheduled?
Mr. Tolliver, I reviewed your file and you would have been able to ask me to get off probation now
Right,
You'll be
that's what
off.
I.
Mr. Tolliver,
Yeah.
you keep talking over me and I'm
Oh,
starting
I'm
to get
sorry.
annoyed.
I'm sorry. I apologize. Mhm.
I've reviewed your file. And the unfortunate part is you would have been ready to move me to release you from probation today, but for missing these testing dates. Because when you're in compliance, you can request to be removed. So I'm giving you the 30-day date to May 7th. If you are consistent with your testing until May 7th, you may ask me on May 7th. As long as you have complied with everything else, I will consider releasing you from probation. I believe you're scheduled to get off in June. Let me see. Give me just a minute. All right, so you were placed on probation. Let's just have so many schedules for sentencing. One moment. All right.
Of last year.
All right, so you were placed on probation June 12th of last year, which means you'd be scheduled to get off June of this year, but under the current law, you can move to be released from probation at the halfway point or after 6 months. So what I'm trying to say to you is you're at the point where you can make that request of me or of the court, okay? The problem is when you make the request, you need to be in compliance with all of your probation stuff. So that's why I'm trying to give you this 30 days so that it'll give you time, you know, to really show that you're consistently testing. And that way, when you come back on May 7th, and the probation officer will be here because that is the date, that date will be scheduled for a hearing, not just an arraignment. So probation officer will be here on May 7th. And as long as you've been consistent with everything and you're getting everything done, you can ask me to let you off at that time. I'm not saying I will because I don't know what it's going to look like yet. Okay, but you can at least ask me. And then you're off either way, it looks like in June.
Okay.
Okay, all right. See you back May 7th at 9 a.m.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Okay, guys, thank you. Oh, we lost Miss Phillip. Yeah.